In this scenario, we will try to hack a router. As you can see, we are connected to a Wi-Fi network called ZTE. To access the router page, we need the username and the password. We can try some default logins for known routers, but as you can see, we are not able to log in. Now let's hack this router by using a tool called Hydra. You will find it in the resources. Type cmd here so you can open the tool directory in the command line. Now type Hydra to see all the tool options. You can see here an example on how to use the tool. Now let's use Hydra to attack our target. Write Hydra Dash capital L, which will enable you to add a file with all possible usernames. I made a file called users, contains all possible usernames for the router. As you can see, here are the usernames. I also made a file named passwords that contain a list of possible passwords. To make it easier, just copy both files to Hydra folder. Now let's go back to the command line and add our files to the Hydra command. You see dash capital L for the users and dash capital B for the file that contains the passwords. The file name is passwords.txt. Now we need to give the tool the target address. In this case, it is the router IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. We should also tell Hydra which service to attack. In this case, it is a web page, which means that it works via HDTV. Sometimes also we need to use dash capital V, which is verbose mode, which will show login and pass for each try, and use dash capital W time to wait some time between each connection. Now we wrote the full command. We are ready to attack the router IP address. Hit enter and let's see what will happen. As you can see, Hydra has started to attack the router by trying root with different passwords. Since root is the first user in our list, it will start with it with all the passwords in the passwords list. Then after finish, it will start again with another user, which is admin. Hydra is a login cracker which supports different protocols to attack. It is very fast and flexible. This tool makes it possible for researchers and security consultants or hackers to show how easy it would be to gain unauthorized access to the system remotely. As you can see here, it makes the process faster. I don't think that anyone can try all these logins in a short amount of time. In the previous lecture, we saw how to create our custom list using Crunch. You can use it to exploit a bug like this. In this scenario, there is a security issue with the router because it allows us to try many logins without any kind of block or limitation. As you can see here, Hydra has started to try the second username with different passwords. Just give it some time to see if we will get the right login details or not. Now we start with different username, which is administrator. Sometimes there is an error with some tries. Don't worry because Hydra will try them again. Here we go. It started with the user root. In this scenario, we are using Hydra to crack a web page that works via HDTV. We can use Hydra also to crack FTP connections or remote desktop connections, SSH, Telnet, and many different protocols. Simply, it is a powerful tool. Now I will give the tool some time to find the right login details. Hydra will give you an amazing status too. As you can see, it is telling you that it makes over 300 tries per minute, with over 1000 tries in 3 minutes, which is awesome. Now the tool has started with a different username, which is admin with small a. Remember that always logins are case sensitive. Wow, something is different here. Let's see if it is the right username and password. Username is admin and password is also admin. Let's check it with the router web page. It seems that the router is busy with responding to Hydra. Let's just stop the tool for now to make it free to respond to us. Now let's try again. Okay, very good. The user is admin and the password is also admin. Perfect. We were able to hack the router using the amazing Hydra. Now you can do whatever you want with the victim. You can see here the Wi-Fi name, which is ZTE. As you can see, Hydra is still running. I will keep it running to show you the final results. Here is the final status with the final results. As you can see, Hydra is telling you that there is a valid password found. That's it, and that's how Hydra works. Hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have any question, just message me. Thank you.